Boats and ships have since millennia developed alongside humankind and are today an integral part of modern commercial and military systems. Over 100,000 vessels carrying billions of tons of cargo and millions of passengers every year. Life cycle of modern ships is 25 to 30 years before they become inoperative due to corrosion, metal fatigue, and non-availability of spares, change in technology, rendering them uneconomical to be commercially operated. Ships are made from massive sheets of steel, which are riveted and welded together and fitted with high-grade materials and components. In today's time, when recycling and reusing goods and products has become an important requirement to preserve environment, even ships are recycled. With the rise in awareness towards maritime environment, there are several reasons for adopting green ship recycling. The most important ones are: segregate segments of the ship, which are damaging and hazardous to both marine and human lives. Conserves marine ecosystem by appropriate disposal of ship-breaking discard. Reuse components, parts, materials from the vessel that are recyclable and can be reused for re-rolling or making new ships, thus saving resources massively. Benefits the ship owner by optimum utility of the ship's parts. More than 99% of all materials salvaged during the ship-breaking process are either reused, reprocessed or recycled. Welcome to Alang, the largest ship recycling yard in the world. Located in Gujarat. Administered by the Gujarat Maritime Board, the Alang Ship Recycling Yard has a glorious history. Thousands of ships all over the world find their final resting place here. Recycled more than 7,000 ships till now. With a bare minimal consumption of energy, millions of tons of steel every year are generated for reuse. From an ecological point of view, it amounts to saving a huge amount of energy and also precious mineral reserves like coal, petroleum and other natural resources. Alang, India's pride, is arguably the world's largest and safest recycling yards for ships. A repository for much of the world's merchant clients. Endowed with gentle slopes, firm ground as well as high tides, Alang is the natural place to allow the ships to simply glide and beach onto the shore with ease. This allows the ships to beach virtually at the threshold of the plots. Alang Ship Recycling Yard consists of close to 153 plots spread along 10 kilometers of coastline. Produces more than 3.5 million metric tons of re-rollable steel per annum without exploiting additional natural resources. Conformed to stringent safety and environmental norms laid out by the Government and Supreme Court of India through the Ship-Breaking Code 2013 of Government of India. The yards are also in process of complying with the recommendations of international regulations on ship recycling enacted by International Maritime Organization (IMO). The existing waste management system, treatment, storage and disposal facility (TSDF) has been enhanced to an integrated common hazardous wastes treatment, storage and disposal facility, which is equipped to handle about 55,000 metric tons of waste received from ship recycling yards and notified areas. The facility provides and ensures waste segregation and storage facility, wastes sampling and laboratory analysis, hazardous wastes incineration, secured landfill disposal, leachate removal, collection, treatment and disposal, residuals treatment and disposal, surface runoff management, dedicated asbestos waste management infrastructure. The ship recycling activities offer employment to 50,000 people directly and support 3.5 lakh people indirectly through other business activities. Alang Sosia Industrial Notified Area is equipped with adequate facilities like water supply and drainage infrastructure, electricity network, 4-lane divided road, administration building, fire station, safety training institute, fully equipped hospitals and an emergency 108 ambulance service. In order to train and spread awareness among workers in safe and secure procedures of working, several initiatives have been taken by the Gujarat Maritime Board. The Safety Training Institute in Alang has trained 1,22,815 workers since it has been set up in 2003. Medical camps benefiting 600 to 800 men, women and children every month are organized regularly. Labour housing facility has been developed for over 1,000 workers at the cost of 22.48 crores with roads, canteens, shops, office buildings, water supply and sanitation facilities, other social activities like distribution of school kits to children, regular movie shows, sports tournament, festival and National Day celebrations have also been undertaken regularly. International synergy for development. The Government of Japan and Government of Gujarat have agreed to collaborate in upgrading the existing facilities at Alang to make Alang a world-class ship recycling hub. With focus on technology transfer and financial assistance from Japan to the Gujarat government, Japan will address the environmental implications of shipbreaking in Alang with cutting-edge technologies and also develop a marketing strategy among the Western world as well as other ship-owning countries. Alang Ship Recycling Yard. Alang, operated by Gujarat Maritime Board, the maritime brand of India.